Leslie. And we're in Papa and Grace's car, and this a truck. And this my big sister, Natalie. Hi. So, what do you want to do today? No idea, huh? Oh, I got one. Dun, dun, dun.
What happened to Ferdy?
She got a shot.
You got a shot?
Yeah. And I'm so worried about 40. And we're using a normal loan truck.
So where are you going?
I'm going to Tita Alma. Wait, is this Tita Alma?
Not yet. Almost there.
And we're going to Tita Alma's house. And so I'm going to say, whoop! Wait,
Why are we gonna go there?
because my mom and dad is going to go shopping. Even they're going to ask her. Yeah, and my birthday, and no one's going to break my presents. And no throwing pillows at me.
Okay, we're here.
We're here now. But guys, don't forget to click the notification and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click the notification button.
Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye for this here. Wait for another video.